Hello, this is Paul from EMD Automotive at Cayenne, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 997 Mark II with the PCM 3. If you want to know what PCM 3 means, you can actually find it on the side of the actual sticker on the side. But the biggest giveaway is the PCM 3 SIM card on here, the PCM 3.1 SIM card at the bottom here. Right? PCM 3 is on the right hand side SIM card on the corner. So the PCM 3 is side mounted, PCM 3.1 is bottom mounted at the bottom here. Alright, that's the biggest difference. But anyway, I'm going to show you. I just finished installing the whole system. I don't just chuck everything like that. I want to do it properly and look nice and neat, and after this I want to tape it up and look like a factory car. Alright, but right now I'm just leaving it like that for now so I can do the test. So I'm going to put the key in, and then the CarPlay will start working. This phone here, I already paired it to the actual CarPlay PCM. So now I'm going to show you how it works. Right, ignition on, start up. Just wait. Alright, I'll just press map and you can actually see. You can see where I am now. Resolution drive, so the map still works normal here. Alright, radio still works. Alright. Phone still works normal. So everything pretty much still the same. Nothing have changed. Alright. But if you press navigation, it will go to there. Press it again, it will go to there. Press it one more time. If you want to use navigation, just go to there and just press map. Or go to your normal maps. Alright. But if you want to use the CarPlay, just press navigation. And we'll go to CarPlay. So now you got CarPlay now. So now I'm going to play some music on this phone here, and then we'll go and then show you what I mean. All right, the phone's already paired, so now we're going to play a song from the phone. Okay, press play. Alright, so you can see that whatever you play on your phone, it comes up to here actually. You can play whatever. Even if you have music inside your phone hard drive, you can still play the music here on your iPhone. We'll come straight through here. Alright, next thing we're going to do, we're going to use the maps. So now we're looking at the maps now. So, okay, put a destination there. So we just choose work here, and as you can see, it goes straight to here on your map already. You don't have to do nothing on the screen. It just goes to here, EMD Automotive, Porsche Special straight away. So that's what CarPlay means. Like all the new cars called CarPlay. So whatever you got on the screen here, it's on here now. So that's basically, you don't have to touch your whatever's on your phone. You can mount your phone here, and everything is just placed for you. All right. So the maps work, the music work. Now we're gonna try the actual the phone. Make sure the phone works. Alright, now we're going to do we're going to check the phone call, make sure it works. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, just testing the phone. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Alright, thank you very much.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
As you can see, the phone worked. So pretty much everything works now. The CarPlay is successfully installed. And the reason why I pull all this stuff off here, because I want to install that nice and neat. I don't want to just throw the wire there and chuck it away. I don't want that. So, alright. So I'm just going to put this back together. and then pretty much it. Everything's done. Alright, and put the microphone maybe about here somewhere, or maybe there. I'm not sure where I put it, but I'll have a look. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.